Hey, what's up guys, it's Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Dunedin, Florida. I'm here with my boy Chris. I'm here to help him out with a dentist's office. We're gonna be doing the roof here, the building wash, and then we got some concrete in the front we're gonna clean. The roof is barrel tile. It has a lot of algae on it, probably hasn't been cleaned in a while. It's right on the main street here in Dunedin, so therefore, they want to get it looking good. I'm gonna do the house wash. I'm not the house wash, the building wash, and then the concrete. Chris is gonna start on the roof before he comes down and meet me for whatever is left. So let me show you guys what it looks like. All right, so we're at Johnson Dental in Dunedin, Florida, and this is the roof here. You can see there's a lot of algae build up right here in the front. We'll get you guys a closer look. And then we got the concrete here in the front. You can see we got some algae growing on there. The building itself is not in terrible shape, but it's part of the ticket, so we're gonna get that washed up. Before we start, you guys, we're gonna water down all these bushes and plants around the property. Chris is gonna go up, like I said, and start doing the roof, and I'll do the concrete and and wash the building at the same time. So we should be out of here pretty quickly. Right now it's 7:40, and we're gonna get started. Let's go. Yeah. Probably had to shoot that from the side instead of shooting straight on. I know. All right, we're putting water on these plants. Might as well go ahead and just wet down the awning too. Why not, right? I don't think we're doing the awnings, but water them down. We're gonna downstream the building, so the awning is not gonna really be affected. Yes, it's a blue awning, so you would think that it's gonna get spotted, but it's not. The material it's made out of is polyester, like vinyl. So it's not, gonna be affected by the SH. So Chris got his ladder set up right here. Should be able to spread quite a bit of this roof from the ladder. The tiles are super thin, so that's why we're gonna spray them from the ladder instead of going up there and walking on them. I mean, they're super thin. I don't know if you guys can tell. So we don't want to take that risk. They do have gutters in the front, so that helps us out some too. The gutter you can see the downspout come out right here on the concrete. You guys, I just soaped up. I've already washed the front. Chris has already hit the roof in the front. We're gonna do the other side of the roof here. Over here, there's a lot of stuff he has to knock off. There's some stuff in the gutters. I soaped up this sidewall all the way up to the spigot. So basically all that's left is from here to the end of the wall and then the wall to the front, which is not that far at all. We will be doing all the concrete in the back. So you can see this is the front right there. So pretty short and simple. Let's see what time it is right now, 8:02. I forgot what time I said I started. So we're gonna give it some dwell time, and then we're gonna rinse everything from here going back to the front so I can do the other side. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we just got done doing the building wash. Chris has already treated the back side of the roof. I'm gonna show you guys a closer look what it looks like. Oh yeah, she is definitely clean. She is sparkling clean. The water pressure is kind of weak at this property. We were splitting two lines into one, so that could have been the issue as well. Show you guys the front side of the roof. That should be nice and clean now. We sprayed that about 30 minutes or so ago. We're making good time, taking our time right now at 8:39. This is the side that we did earlier. So that's what that side looks like in the front. You might do a little couple of spot treat areas. I didn't get on the ladder, so I can't really see. We're not rinsing the roof, so we're just gonna let it sit and do its thing, and I'll kill all the algae. I'm gonna let my tanks fill up, and I'm gonna start doing the concrete here. Y'all stay tuned. y'all, we're wrapping up. I had to do a bunch of mud dauber removal. So right now Chris is just going back and touching up a few little spots. We're trying to protect this sign right here, this blue sign. We don't know how it's gonna react, so get some water on it. Alright, you guys, we all wrapped up with the project. It took us really like an hour and 45 minutes. We had a little slowdown of waiting for the water to fill up, and also had a bunch of mud daubers to scrub off. So all in all, it took us 2.5 hours. This is the concrete here. You guys can see that's pretty clean. Fresh building wash. The man of the hour right here. My boy Chris from Clean Street. Let's step back so I can show you guys the roof. Man, that roof is looking good. Look at that. Oh yeah, Chris broke my stick, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna be able to bounce back financially from that, man. I'm sorry. I got filed for bankruptcy. This is the rest of the building here. This is my man's Chris's rig right here. You guys seen it before. I showed you guys his little rig, compact. He just got a reclaim system in there not too long ago. Transferring some SH to his tank right now. This is the back of it right here. Nice little compact van. Everything we just did, Chris could have done it by himself, but you know, he wanted to get out of here a little early, so he asked me for the help. But that van can do everything we just did today by itself. This is the back of the building. Concrete super clean. Yes, sir. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, leave a comment if you got any questions, and hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. We're about to wrap up this baby and go get some breakfast. I think Chris got another job. I have another job in Tampa this afternoon. I think I'm gonna join him on his next job. I'm not sure what it is, but this project here is complete, baby. Alright guys, well that's it. Make sure you like I said, subscribe, hit the bell, share the video. If you got any questions, just ask, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.